Hello, today we are showing that how to install a freestanding bathtub with jacuzzi massage, bubble massage and a filler system. Um, let's start. So firstly it comes with a front panel, so you just need to remove it. Then the first thing is to do, just make the bottom coupling, just fit it in the bottom. The waste coupling, the popper waste would be pre-fitted, and you just need your plumber need a elbow and a nipple, a clump and a flexible pipe to connect a bathtub drain with your bathroom drain. Okay. So firstly, so the GI coupling is connected, and just connect a flexible pipe with this clamp. So now the waste coupling is done, the waste fitting is done. You can connect this flexible pipe with your bathroom drain. So now the waste coupling is fixed under the bathtub. Now the next step is how to fit a filler system basically. So the cascade filler and a mixture and diverter set would be pre-fitted from the factory, and there is a hole for that hand shower, and it hold the hand shower, and just a moment, that would be the pipe pre-fitted from the factory, and you just need to pass it from this hole for hand shower. Just fit the hand shower with the hose pipe and place it into the hole. So these are the connection pipes for the filler system, and these are pre-installed from the factory, and these are just attached with this mixture system. So this is basically a mixture which is connected from the bottom with these hot and cold pipes, and your plumber will connect these pipes to the provisions on the walls. Just make it tight. So these are the electrical points provided for jacuzzi massage and bubble massage system. So these are electrical wires for a jacuzzi and bubble bath. Connect these with the electrical supply. After connecting the bathtub with the plumbing provisions and electrical provisions, the next step is to level the bathtub according to your bathroom flow. Just place the bathtub at its right place.
चाबी गुम हो गया।
So these are the levelers fitted under the bathtub. You can adjust their heights with according your bathroom flow. So the 6 levelers are fitted under the bathtub. The quantity of levelers is actually according your bathtub size basically. So now basically your bathtub is ready to use and it is installed properly. So one more thing, the front panel is just pending, and you can just fix a front panel on the front side of bathtub. There are 3 holes and fixtures are pre-fitted from the factory, and you just need to place the front panel in front of bathtub. Just insert it inside of this tub, and screw cap come along with the tub. So now your bathtub is ready to use, and it's basically a front freestanding bathtub with front panel, jacuzzi massage, bubble massage, and a filler system. So it's comes with the only front panel. You can also go for a side panel if you have a just 2 side wall. So this bathtub is just meant for a 3 side walls. So that's it regarding installation of bathtub. So 2 side walls are mandatory in your bathroom. So if you don't have third side wall, so it may have or may not have. So if in case you don't have a wall, you can add a side panel also, like this, that would be fitted under the bathtub also.